Hello, good news for teachers aspirants. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಆಕಾಂಕ್ಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Here one notification regarding teacher post in the high school Sri Veereshwara Padavi Purva Mahavidyalaya, means the high school section, place Nalvatod, district Bijapur and Taluk Buddha Bihar. Two posts, one is PCM Kannada medium and qualification is BSc B.Ed and category general merit. Then Kannada post BA B.Ed, category is 2A. So this notification is published on the date 31st 8 2022. Before 21 days you have to apply for this post. Collect 500 rupees DD and also the educational documents. Next, other post, the same college, same institute, Sri Veereshwara Padavi Pura College, Navatwad, district Bijapur and Taluk Mudde Bihar. Here the post name is physical director. Qualification is MP.Ed and reservation is not applicable. So this is also apply for this post before 21 days. Collect 500 DD from the National Bank and also the educational documents. And here the eligibility is 55% in your PG degree course. So here chairman and address is mentioned here. So see and apply for this post. Next, other two posts of lecturer political science Raj Shastra and qualification is MA B.Ed category 1. Another one lecturer post English language MA B.Ed category for women's. Same here, collect the 500 rupees DD from National Bank for the name of chairman Sri Veereshwara Vidyavartak Sangha Navatwad and submit the application before 21 days. And eligibility means your qualification PG degree 55% is mandatory, and other information address here mentioned. This is also notification published 31st 8 2021. So all the aspirants of teachers and lecturers apply for this post and you will get benefit. Thank you for watching and listening, and kindly request to share this video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.